Nobody likes losing. Me especially. I'm one of the most competitive guys out there. In fact, yesterday I was playing pickleball with a couple of my friends who are not as good as me, and my team was losing down pretty significantly. So I was like, all right. I think the score was like 3-8. So I turned on the Jets, and then I tried hard for a little bit, and then all of a sudden we uh, we were winning, right? Instantly. We took like 9 straight points or whatever, right? So I hate losing. I fight people all the time, not physically fight, but I get into arguments sometimes when I'm playing pickleball. Or when I'm playing ultimate frisbee, I'll be kind of physical. I won't tackle anyone, but I'll just dive for stuff, right? I literally hate losing, right? But as much as I hate losing, sometimes a loss is a win. And that's the case when you're out of the money and you can prevent further downside. For me on this stock, how I would personally handle this is I would put an order out to cover shares if it dropped, you know, probably below this gap fill here around 395. I know that's a decent bit lower, but it's 5% lower, right? So if you want to put your stop loss a little higher, that's fine. But this just protects me, protects you from further downside. I'm sorry that you're in that position. That sucks, but that's why I don't like to trade things this thin. $387 million is not something I'm interested in trading in, but that's not helpful to you right now. What is helpful for you is to know that, listen, this happens. And I know you're disappointed, and I know it sucks, and I know it stings, but you got to pick yourself back up and push forward because this is what the markets want. They want to knock you down. And as soon as you take a loss, you're like, oh my God, this sucks. I don't want to do this anymore. I hate this. I'm done. Yeah, that means they took your money and leave, but that's not how you do it. You adapt your strategy, you improve, and then you make the market pay you.
This was just a slice. The real convo is happening on YouTube. Search it Verified Investing, watch the full Verified AMA, and subscribe if you're serious about your trading.